Hey, you're awesome for clicking that link. But anyway, hey guys, thanks for clicking the link and trying to find out a little information about the product being launched out by John S. Rhodes, VideoTube Secrets. It's actually going to be a pretty big launch, guys, from what I understand. There's three things I want to teach you about in this video. I'd like to discuss with you. Maybe the program that you're looking to find out a little bit about, but also maybe you want to find out a little information about how to make money online, and I'd like to talk to you a little bit about that, and also how you can get started with something today if you'd like to. Okay, guys, back to the video. Okay, this is supposed to be a pretty decent launch, okay, because it's by the Mr. YouTube himself, Zane Miller, okay, and he's going to be giving you some pointers and stuff in this program. Now, it's supposed to be step-by-step Photoshop training in this system. That's actually pretty cool, and 40+ video tutorials that goes along with it. PDF guides by actually Zane Miller, I believe. And also, guys, there's going to be 50% commissions on this if you're an affiliate marketer. I'm not with this program at all. I just do previews on it, kind of deal. It's a $27 front-end cost. Expect upsells on this, okay? Definitely, for sure. Launches 7/22/2014, guys, okay? That's about all we have on this program. It's going to be talking about, how to make some money with video YouTube and stuff, tactics and tools, okay? So it's going to be some pretty cool stuff. I'm looking forward to it myself, actually. But, guys, before you go and spend money on these systems, okay? I always try to tell everybody, with these systems, they give you great bits of information and you're going to learn some stuff guaranteed, but they do not give you the whole package. They leave parts out, so you can't say you need to get traffic. You can have a great product. If you can't get traffic to that site or to that product, you're not going to make a dime, guys, and you're not going to get nowhere. You have to know the whole product and the whole package of how to make money online, guys. If that's what you're looking to do, click the link below, Core Benefits. It'll take you to a spot where you can leave me your contact information. I'll shoot you an email and let you check it out and make an informed decision for yourself, guys. This program, like I said, I'm an ex-firefighter and a single dad, and I just really was looking for a way that I could stay home with my boys and not be gone. And I tried, and man, just being scammed, and just you get a program, it doesn't work, there's no support, it's a great thing, but you don't know what to do with it. You can't bring out traffic to get anybody there to sign up to do that. So, guys, if you want to find out really how to do it, get something that has an autoresponder, a free autoresponder, sales page, capture page, squeeze pages, free webinars, video training. I mean, guys, I can go on and on and on. The ways of getting traffic. I mean, it teaches you everything, and that's what you need if you want to make money online, guys, not just a system, okay? You got to get the complete deal. This is a free system. He can easily charge a lot of money for this, but he doesn't, guys, and it's awesome, okay? So anyway, if you're interested to find out information, click the link below, Core Benefits. I'll shoot you the information. You check it out and see what you think. But guys, do me one favor. Give it a fair shake and look at it for real. Don't just, okay, I did it, I followed through with it, I got results immediately, and so will anybody else that works it. It's a system that works, it's been proven, guys, guaranteed, okay? If you work. I don't know if anybody works, I know I do. Anyway, guys, see you on the inside. Thanks a lot for your time. Ciao. Have a blessed day.